Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Dams.
And that.
Big up on yourself. So today we'll be doing a video for you guys, taking you guys on our shopping trip. So a big question that a lot of persons have is cost of living in Canada. Try to compare it with their home country. What it is like in terms of food, rent, bills, general stuff like that. Persons always try to get some form of information like what the actual cost of living is. So we decided to take you guys on our shopping journey today.
Yep.
So if it's the first time you're watching one of our videos, or if you have seen us before and not subscribed, please go and subscribe. Like, share, and share this video with a friend or a family member who might be thinking about moving to Canada and want to know what the general cost of living is. So today we'll be shopping in Superstore, which is one of the cheap supermarket them. Yeah, so forward on the trip. As I said, subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Of course, everyone's shopping is different. Everybody has their own thing that they get. So we're just gonna try to get some basic stuff that most persons would probably get for their monthly or weekly grocery. And then at the end of the day, we'll show you guys what our bill comes to, so you can have an idea. Okay.
Yeah.
So both are
Or just one.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Like you have more.
Why more dear? Oh, cheaper. You want this vitamin on me? You want to take it? So, take it. Alright, but no, that.
Always $5. Always fine for $5.
You want it?
Color out there.
Pine for $5.
Or you can buy pine itself. But yeah.
And watermelon for $5.
Everything for $5. I don't want that.
You know this?
I don't like that. Maybe buy apple itself when I need apple right now.
Well, the pine itself probably cheaper too.
Yeah, because it's kind of which one? What tomato? So.
You want this carrot or the other one? The other carrot, they get only more still.
Yeah.
Like they don't bend don't part.
Yeah, bend down part is the cheaper part.
Yeah.
Look like bun and cheese wrapping it.
Huh?
Look like bun wrapping
Yeah,
it.
like bun.
No, waffles.
gonna take up celery. I think we still have lettuce, but I think
Lettuce must be spoiled. Much lettuce.
huh?
$2 something. Lettuce. Mangoes. These are not good mangoes. These look like these mangoes.
Should I take up spinach?
Spinach? Yeah, can cook though.
Foreign version of kalaloo. Ish. Closest thing you can get to kalaloo.
You do good. Oh my god.
Oh, it's a plunder. Right plunder.
Where?
To your right.
Yay! Hmm? Yes, sir.
Massive scale. Cauliflower or broccoli or both?
Broccoli.
Broccoli?
I like broccoli. I don't really like cauliflower. Hmm? And plantain. So what's the difference? Plantain. These are riper. Oh, this.
Yeah, that was saying now. Banana, them look nice though. You plant them up, they still look better, babes. Yeah. No? No. Say something to the Andersons, Malika. Say, how are you doing today? How are you doing today? Okay, ya push it card? Skala. Yeah, babes, that would make more sense to take up that Pioneer. Huh? Yeah, $5, $2, well, $3, $5, $3, $3 win.
Yeah. Coconut. Coconut. Coco. But your news about them.
Caribbean avocado.
It's full of water.
Full of water? Damn. Damn. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I will try one.
I'll check no stuff. But you have one of these small ones though.
One of them?
Yeah. Can you know they want this way?
No, that's a match up and a small one of them there.
Banana look bigger. Banana look big.
Yeah. Take that one. Just need. Or just randomly.
We took a beetroot?
No, I didn't take it. Let's go get the beets. You're gonna do beetroots?
Yeah.
You're gonna do beetroots and carrot? Yeah. Oh, ginger beets. Is that the
$1 something.
Yeah, we don't need a lot. I just want to stew it down.
No,
because it's so nice. Ever eat it?
Yeah.
Eh?
At home, but then they, hey, me not like it.
And then do with vinegar.
Marika. 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 I was yesterday that I've noticed. Oh. No ginger.
No more ginger here.
And put everything on place for now.
Yeah, probably I'll try for this week. Which one I need to get?
Good. Nah, we'll take up one of the money I need.
It's true. That's someone who's off his shop. Until Valentine's get done, they're going to get a rose. Or not what I did in this dollar aisle.
This tastes nice enough?
Take up a few of them.
This tastes nice. I actually like these. I don't want a few. I don't want too much. One of these. I actually like these. These are nice to munch on.
Malika, you want anything on the dollar aisle?
I don't want to get tired.
Cereal and stuff you're supposed to eat.
No.
You're supposed to be eating it. Yeah, eat. You say eat so long with her tongue and put her finger in her.
Eat.
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 Sometimes very good stuff. Stuff that I didn't do.
Nobody dig. I'm going to get something and go chop for you. Some of the food. Yeah.
Oh, rice. Ketchup. But we just want to throw jam island and say guy from here say everything packed so all over the place. dishwashing liquid. For sure. Vinegar? You prefer the original one or the cranberry?
Original.
Kool-Aid. It says vitamin C, but you know that's bullshit. This is just sugar.
Oh, I'm gonna like carry phone now.
Oh yeah, no, that would be 3,000 for the one. You want this that mommy have? So mommy have something, or you want this instead?
Want this? No, what you want to know? Just a pretty box. But she never really like chocolate for a long time, no?
Yeah?
She not really like chocolate biscuit or chocolate stuff. I'm gonna see. One thing. Chocolate chips, the brown.
We try chocolate chip.
Yeah, because I don't know if Malika like it nothing but too black.
So racist.
Yeah.
Now I have the long one already. We have some of the elbow one in there. Probably we can take up some of this. And pasta
Sean,
salad.
this one?
Yeah. No?
I don't know. Oh, you not even. It's funny.
I'm gonna see the pasta sauce right at it.
Mama. Bean.
Can't see the original one though.
See original one right in front of you. Original.
Mama said them other side. Yes, I'll clear the sauce.
I look like a pulsar. See my last? You know what I'm saying? The sauce up top.
Like today time I go buy the
Parmesan.
sardine.
Sardine. So which one?
This one. The usual one we normally take. I must have a good old regular one we used to. Even if it's sardine.
She normally eats sardine though.
Yeah, rice and potato only. Rice on the other side.
Let me see.
You have no hot soup, no?
No. Stomach feels sick. Him get him memo too.
Smart shoppers.
Mm. Nigga. Yeah. Okay, where are we now?
Go to the tea island.
No, I want there some. Ovaltine. There's Ovaltine. You have Ovaltine. You have Ovaltine right there.
You want to try the Ovaltine?
With Malika?
The price is on it, boy.
If we have you put it back.
$6.
That heavy.
It's heavy.
No,
You want the barbecue chicken anytime? See? No?
no, you.
I don't normally get barbecue sauce.
Anyways. So where's the barbecue sauce?
You normally get the...
Please check languages.
That's it. Corned beef. You want it?
Yeah.
Which one? This one or this one? Or it doesn't really matter?
The same price, same thing. I just say packaging different. So this is like a semi-Caribbean. But also on them now pack soup or so.
And tin mackerel.
Tin mackerel?
I don't want one.
Yeah, I like tin mackerel.
No, can't eat much thin things like that. Sausage, $9.99. Can't eat too much thin things, so that's the problem. I'm just a breakout like me now.
Oh, neither do I.
Yeah, Malika.
Ketchup. Usual.
Usual. And then I go down and Jolly price. You eat it, man, nice. You like really nice. Really, really nice.
Good job, Malika.
Yeah, good job. One. The regular?
Yeah, the mom the rice price, I'm not kind of invested.
Nothing in there in a sense. In a sort with certain things. It good with meat because they have more varieties. But everything else better Walmart.
Some cheaper, yes, and some cheaper.
It does
Walmart,
differ.
understand?
Yeah.
Understand? I'll just put that one.
Yep.
Big something on the floor. We need salt.
Yeah.
Oh, the tea island, no.
No.
Oh, sugar, milk.
Yeah. If you want condensed milk, it's up top. Somewhere.
Yeah,
We can't reach it though.
I'm gonna take up two. One, two. Which reminds me, we need cornmeal.
Everything. That all it can't look so full when I get to meet it. When I get to meet it.
Where's the fat bud? You take up more in the aisle.
See there, at the mountains, some of they do. I not the mountains, no one. At the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, $4 something.
Okay, bye bye, old team.
Yeah.
Say goodbye to old team.
Oh my god, man.
Like to drink something?
No. Come on. Yeah, something else. Okay. Oh, yeah. Quaker. No, this is not Quaker. Robin Hood.
Huh?
That's a Quaker, but I just realized it's a Robin Hood cake. I don't even know if Malika like pancake.
You want to try it? You have a maple syrup?
Aunt Jemima.
Don't put it on camera, I don't really know if you do. I just add water for it.
Yeah. Oh, you never do? Oh, you never do pancake? Okay.
No, I don't know pancake.
You can do or just add water.
She just right there from just add water.
Milk and egg, whatever. Add milk and egg.
Oh,
Raspberry. This is the original one.
But I just add water.
You used to get them from parents, so that's why. Just make pancakes.
Well, no matter the
When I look at peanut butter. Man, cheap peanut butter. No name it is. No name I go on with things. No name.
And also no name of the Eve. I find. No, Eve are cheap, man. Right, guys.
Alright.
Pretty good, man. Very good.
Now fine. Take out the finger, 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 take out the finger. Take out the finger, Marisa. So a big pork. Everyone have these.
It's like pork.
That's with the fat and stuff on it. More that.
Like this?
Yeah.
$12 something. Okay. Hey, you got it off the grocery.
Huh? Let's talk about chicken.
No, feed the cat, man. Well, pin and beef, no, you know.
Is it?
Fill and chop, really ready. This is one roll of cube, so.
Oh. Gotta stop. Take up a nice one, eh?
Which one is France?
No name as usual.
Oh. No name as usual, I guess.
shrimp.
Alright, got to find a cheap shrimp.
Oh, the balloon is dropped. Malika. Why are you throwing the stuff out? I just.
So I'll play that.
Are you happy? You just a couple things and you're not. Go.
Oh,
It's alright.
I'm sorry.
You just have to couple things and whatever.
Okay. So this is a shrimp. $8.
Oh god. Which other part? Which other end we got? A different fish man and them a fish we eat. Tilapia. These are the ones. Right. Guys, those are exactly. Those are like $7. What a mere beef. Big. Frozen. One chicken pizza. Chicken back.
You don't have chicken back?
No, I'm not doing chicken back.
I'll take some chicken backs to and curry.
Okay. Chicken liver. Okay, I'm coming. Well, no.
Goat meat.
Wow, but look at the price. On a African store.
And then just put the picture on the thing for just talk about my cash loss.
Okay.
Just on the thing for the thing.
Oh my god.
You take up a fish? No?
No. It's up $7 something.
$2.
So big on them? Okay.
2 times.
Two. Two tilapias. Sure.
What's in a half? Want egg and bread?
Yeah. No, I don't think so. Let's work with 4 for now. Oreo, I don't know Oreo. Mini 6. It's just a snack one. We can't make up my mind. That's the thing, we can't make up my mind. Too much damn options. Banana split. There's too much options, you don't know what to choose. Is that? What's that?
Okay guys, so we are finally done shopping. as you can see, we were just like picking up stuff. We weren't like overly cautious as to the price or looking and checking and like being overly cautious like we usually do when we're on a budget, because we wanted to give like a fair like interpretation of what we would cost. So we just pick up like also stuff that we need and even a lot of stuff that we didn't need. So we ended up filling our trolley and it only costed us $231 Canadian dollars, right? Yeah, so that generally give you an idea of what it is like in terms of like to buy food for like a household. Well, it's just us, right? So it's not like we're gonna buy like for like a family of 4 or 5 or 6 persons. So it's just us, and she barely eats. She barely eat and me barely eat sometimes. So it's not like we eat a lot, but generally it costs us like an average $230. And then the amount of groceries that we bought usually lasts like anywhere between a week and a half to 2 weeks. So we usually spend roughly $250 give and take every 2 weeks. And like for certain stuff like bread, milk, and certain stuff in between, you get that like as per needed. But generally speaking, $500 a month can stack out a house. And I mean like, I don't mean just the necessities. I mean ice cream, all of the stuff that you like but you don't really need, pretty much. As again, just smash a like on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and see you in the next video. Peace.